Crafted from stoneware, this tabletop dinnerware set is crafted from quality stoneware and finished in a fine marble pattern for a beautiful marble look. Dishwasher safe, for easy cleaning. Microwave safe for easy heating. 16-piece. Bring the sophisticated look of marble into your home with the Elama Fine Marble 16-piece stoneware dinnerware set in black and white. Every plate in this collection is decorated in a fine marble pattern and coated in a glaze finish for a sleek and shiny look. This dish set is crafted from quality stoneware, making it both microwave and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning and everyday use. Tableware set comes with a full service for 4, making this the perfect addition to your dining room table for family gatherings or dinner parties. Top reviews from the United States. Beautiful high-quality product for a good price. We ordered 3 of these 16-piece sets of dishes. They are beautiful and match our kitchen and dining room perfectly. The colors were exactly as seen on the website. They are high quality and a nice comfortable weight which should be very durable yet not too heavy. When they were delivered by the carrier, the boxes looked like they had been through a war. They were packaged so well that not a single piece was broken. There were a few pieces that had small manufacturing defects, but I called Elama and they immediately sent out replacement pieces. Great customer service. Overall, we are very happy with our purchase and it was a great value.